Hey guys, so in today's video I'm actually going to be testing something that I actually have questioned ever since I got the RX 580, and on the box it specifically says, if I don't have the box next to me, but on the box it specifically says VR ready or VR compatible. So I wanted to test with an Oculus Rift today if that's even true, and by VR ready they mean it can launch and not, yeah, you can play some Beat Saber. So we're going to play some Beat Saber, we're going to play some Pavlov, and we're going to test it. Today's test system is our, is it here? Yeah, it's right here. Our 2920X Threadripper and a RX 580 graphics card. We're using the Threadripper so that we can record the gameplay and everything without any compromises, but as you can see here, literally we have to start off with an update of our drivers, so we'll do that and come right back. Hey guys, believe it or not, I just recorded this part and actually uploaded the video to YouTube. So this is like way later, but the first song I did was copyrighted, so I'm just gonna redo it with a different song, and I'm putting it in this video. For you guys, it'll just look like it's one piece, but for me, you might notice my hair changed, my shirt might have changed, because I'm doing this later because the first song got copyrighted on YouTube, so we're just doing a different song to show you guys that Beat Saber will work.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the stars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Cause the flames will burn us up. Thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your tongue while the pain was over.
Yep, just like the first time that I did this and it was copyrighted, it works. It's a great experience. RX 580, pair that with an AMD processor of any kind, like I said, I'm using a Threadripper, so really any second gen AMD processor or better, and you got yourself a nice budget Oculus Rift setup, and you're doing pretty good. So that's about it for Beat Saber. Let's move on to a different game. Alright guys, now we're in a harder to run game called Pavlov. So we're gonna see, this game is definitely gonna be a struggle. Now the detail is a lot less. I already noticed from the 1080 Ti, but let's see. Let's play a round of bots and see what's going on in Pavlov. What? Who wants to go, Sonny? I'll kill ya! Come on! Oh. Oh, get wrecked. I killed him, man. Oh, what a shot. Oh my god, I've got a knife. I threw it. Oh. Oh, I gotta stab one of these bots and I win. If I win this game, this is... I win! That's right. Those were veteran bots. They were impossible to kill, and I just won. Now, I did say something about the graphics quality, but then actually playing the game, I noticed it's the same. This is so... I'm just gonna keep the... I know I'm using garbage mics and stuff, but this was just kind of an impromptu video, and I really wanted to test this before I switch, because I'm switching my setup to the new PC. You know, the gaming PC, not new PC. But, it works. It runs VR. I have to, like, crouch. It runs VR. I played Pavlov and Beat Saber, two of the nicest looking games. They looked fine. They played perfectly. No lag whatsoever. I was walking around, shooting people. I had a good time. So definitely, I would recommend if you want to get a budget VR setup, get an Oculus Rift, use like $200, grab yourself a $200 RX 580, and you're golden. Just a decent CPU, like so I'm running it on Threadripper, and you can actually run VR. Everyone thinks it's so hard to run VR. It's really not. You just have to have the space. Like, this obviously is not an area. You can just tell by how many things I've hit doing this video that I should not be doing VR in this area, but I am moving it over there eventually. But it works. I'm just going to tell you guys, it works, and that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this random video I decided to do. I hope I don't get copyright strike for that one video. Thank you guys so much for watching, or that one part in Beat Saber. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.